Good grief, party people. Okay, so it's taken a couple nights to make this new project that we're working on. This is a 4-foot by 10-foot sign that's going to a band in Cary, North Carolina. And this is solid 3/4 inch utility grade oak, which means that there were imperfections when they were making this flooring. So that's why there's a lot of smaller pieces. There's a lot of imperfections. And so it's not a perfect, which is what makes it look awesome. Like all these little holes and all these little spots and blemishes really give this piece character. The back will look really kind of rugged, but when I get all the artwork cut for the top, it'll be nice and smooth. Part one of this was making this backer out of that utility grade oak. We made the backer out of pine, and we had pocket hole screws that we used to do the joinery, and then I glued and used brad nails to get the top of this on here. To make this a perfectly straight line, I used a skill saw just to cut off the big pieces, the big chunks, to get this really close to the backer. And then I used a flush trim bit to come all the way around, all the way down and around, to make the top match the back. And then we took a 3/8 inch roundover bit and went all the way around to get this curve. I then used the sander just to kind of round over the edge a little bit and get any leftover little bits and pieces that the router left through. The band director reached out to me and said, "Hey, I've got this idea. Here's kind of what we're looking at. We're going to do an AR," and he sent me a picture, maybe like a trumpet bell coming through it. So I designed that artwork last year, and we've done their apparel, we've done their t-shirts and polos and hats, and now we are making this piece of wall art for them, which is going to look fantastic down the hallway. You really can't get how big this thing is until you're like standing here. I mean, that's my outfeed table and my entire table saw that we made into one long bench by backing up the table saw just so we could make room for all this. So part one was making this and making this backer. Part two is going to be me cutting. Part three is going to be painting. So I've got a high volume, low pressure, something. I don't know a lot about painting systems, but I bought this self-contained painting system, and I'm gonna, I guess, try to figure out how to use said painting system to paint the actual art. And the art's gonna be kind of cool because it's 2 layers. There will be the actual art, and then I did this profile to go around it that'll be this goldish color, this old gold, and then the top part will actually be this dress blue, I think is the actual color. And that's gonna look hot when we put it on top of this. And then part 4 will be me driving it to Cary to drop it off with the customer. Something that weighs this much, we use Tapcon screws. I mean, you drill through cinder block, and then you drill through the wood piece, and then you mount them. I think each one is capable of holding like 100 pounds. So if we put like 8 or 9 of these in here, we'll have more than enough. I mean, you've probably got 250 pounds right here. I mean, it's pretty solid. So if we were to put 5 on that side and 5 on this side, I mean, 10 of those screws would be more than enough to hold this off the wall. We've done about 10 of these wall art projects so far, and it's been fun to do these kind of one-off projects. And when we put them in with those screws, she ain't going nowhere. So, all right, so part 1, done. Part 2 will probably start sometime tomorrow or Thursday. I got to make the parts, and then I think I'm going to go up the steps and maybe try out the painting upstairs. It'll be a lot less dusty. Yeah, a lot less dusty, but it's probably going to still make a mess. So I probably should practice. I probably should practice with the painter. Yeah, I should paint. I should practice. Maybe I'll practice. We should practice. We definitely always practice. I'm a band director. We practice. All right, boys and girls, we'll see you on the flip side. Peace.